There are few things that can change your life like learning something new. Learning is a joyous and powerful thing, as it's all about feeding your curiosity and giving you insight into the world around you. When I was in middle school, we were taught astronomy only long enough to learn that the solar system existed. However, I needed to know more. I sought out whatever I could find on the planets, stars, the Voyager probes, and the universe itself. By learning for its own sake, I discovered a great deal of enjoyment and knowledge. Learning is a crucial part of growing professionally and personally, as it can help you indulge your curiosity, develop a new job skill, come to an educated decision, or even alleviate a fear. But most of all, learning can change you for the better. As I became an adult, the things I learned about astronomy influenced my worldview. And that knowledge made me reconsider the nature of our planet and my role on it. I never would have seen the universe this way if I hadn't listened to my curiosity and explored something new. There are plenty of benefits to learning, but what if you hesitate at the thought of going through the learning process? You may have had an unhelpful teacher, difficulty in school, or other unpleasant memories. Well, you are not alone. In college, I wanted to study a subject I knew nothing about, so I took an Italian language class. But whenever I got too many homework questions wrong, my teacher would shame me during class. I grew to loathe going to that class, and over the semester my grades suffered and my interest in Italian vanished. Essentially, a bad teacher got between me and the joy of learning. Whatever you do in life, don't let anyone or anything disrupt your pursuit of knowledge. Yes, this is easier said than done, but the benefits of learning and exploring new ideas are too important to lose. Now, once you're curious about a new subject or skill, you'll want to explore it. Luckily, you have the world at your fingertips right now, thanks to the internet and its near limitless selection of websites, podcasts, ebooks, and more. This incredible amount of knowledge can feed your curiosity quickly, so don't be afraid to tap into it. First-hand experience is the best way to learn a new skill, and you can use online resources to guide you. If you want to play piano, find a practice website. Do you want to learn how to jog properly? Study some exercise videos. Or, if you like learning alongside others, try joining a group dedicated to your subject. You'll probably make some mistakes as you learn and practice, but you'll gain experience too. Whatever you're interested in, explore it as soon as you can, because the joy of learning can change the way you see the world.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.